Hi loves, it's Sam. So today I'm gonna be doing a Cupshe try-on haul. Lauren, I don't know how you say her last name, but Lauren or Ari, she has a collection with Cupshe and she has some really cute stuff for the holidays. There's some mommy and me collections. There's some really gorgeous, just like good holiday, like party outfits. So today I'm gonna be trying on a few of those items, and then I just have some other things from Cupshe as well. I will have everything linked down below. I will also have my sizes in the description box too. I'm gonna forewarn you, my dog is yapping a lot. She has some serious separation anxiety, and I am struggling to figure out how to work with her because if I'm not holding her, she's yapping at me and she's like, she just doesn't stop. So there's gonna be a little bit of yapping here and there, and I'm so sorry. I need to figure out what to do because this is not working for me. So I'm gonna have to either film when my kids are home so they can watch her or something like that because I'm trying it all and it's just not happening. So I'm just warning you there. There's a little yapping, I apologize. But Cupshe has so kindly offered me a coupon code for you guys. I believe it's SAMS15. It's gonna save you guys 15% off. I'll put all the details in the description box. I'll also put the little coupon code here. And then if you use their app, I think you can save 20% off of a certain amount of an order. I don't know off the top of my head. So I'm gonna put all the info in the description box for you guys. But they do have an app, and there is a bigger incentive if you order from the app. I think it's 20% versus 15% off. But either way, I have a coupon code. It's gonna save you some money. The sun is blasting in my face. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you to Cupshe for partnering up with me for this video. And let's go ahead and try everything on. Okay guys, so here is the very first, she won't stop barking, I'm sorry. She's just gonna have to be held. If I put her out there, she barks. If I put her in here, she barks. I don't know what to do with her. This is the first shirt. So I've just paired it off with a little black bodysuit and some leggings and my little Nike sneakers. It's such a cute little shirt, flannel. It's not soft and flannelly on the inside. It's like the softer kind of flannelly outside. Well, not even flannel actually. It is soft, but it doesn't feel the softest on the inside, but it's not rough. But it's cute, and it comes down a little bit longer in the back, which is nice, so that it covers your bum. But it's a really cute little fall shirt. This is how I would style it. It's very cute. It's got the gray and the warm kind of orangey pumpkin colors. Super cute for fall, and it's nice because it's lightweight. It's not too heavy, so it's something I could wear if it's still kind of warm out. So that is my first option. Next is this one. I've actually worn this out a couple times. It is so cozy. Oh, it's like as soon as I start talking, she won't stop barking. So I've worn this one out a couple times already. It's fleece. It's so cozy. I think I wore it to Apple Hill actually. It was just like the most lovely, soft, delightful fleece jacket. I've just paired it off again with those same black leggings, same sneakers, little black bodysuit, and it's just like chill, super cozy, super comfortable. And I'm warm, but I'm not too hot. And it has a nice flow as well. Like the way it flows, it like, you know what I mean? It goes down longer in the butt and then it comes up shorter on the thigh and then comes down longer in the front. But it really has like a nice flow to it. It's not super stiff, which I like. And the sleeves are really cozy as well. Let me put her down for 1 second so you guys can see. So that is what it looks like. I'm actually probably gonna wear this today. It's like so comfortable. I love it. So there's my second Cupshe item. Here is another super cozy option. This is very comfortable. It's like a really lightweight, like long oversized, long sleeve hoodie. I need a what's it called? I need a dog whisperer. Anyway, this is like nice and flowy. Again, it's like long. It's not super thick like a sweatshirt. It's like a long sleeve shirt, but it does have a hood on it. And it is so darn cute. The color is really nice as well. Did you get yourself worked up? I'm not surprised. That was ridiculous. She got herself a little bit worked up, I think. Super comfortable, so cozy. Looks great with this as well. Like, this is something I would definitely wear. And this material is really, really soft. So this is another great option. Okay guys, so here is the next item. This is so cute. It's this really gorgeous satin skirt. It looked so good on my sister because my sister's a little bit taller than me. I feel like it's fitting a little bit funny right here because of my hips. Like it flowed a little bit better on my sister. How cute does it look on my sister? And then this really cute little sweater, and it's like a little here, let me zoom in on it. Not zoom in, but focus. It's like a cute little crisscross. And then, is that how short it is?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's kind of like a little bit more cropped. And then she's paired it off with some cute little boots. The boots are not from Cupshe, but they're like a nice little knee-high boot. And then a cute little belt bag. And doesn't she look so adorable?
I never get dressed up, so this is fun.
Here, I'm like backing up. Okay, do a little spin. Oh my gosh, that is like seriously the cutest little skirt on her. 5'5", and then size?
Like 8.
Okay, so we're kind of like almost the same size.
Yeah.
She's just a little bit smaller than me and taller, so she has a nice long torso. So yeah.
She's got a better booty.
No, definitely not. But isn't it such a pretty shape? I've just paired it off with some little platform shoes, some heels, and then just this really cute little black tight long sleeve shirt. It has like a really nice little flow when you walk. Like it's so flowy. It's really cute. You could also style it like this, which I think would be really cute. I've just put on some like little boots and then just a nice like knit v-neck sweater. And then it's just kind of like a little bit more of like a casual look. It's not so dressy. I actually feel really comfortable like this because then I don't have to worry about sucking in my pooch. But this is really cute option too. You know what I mean? Like that looks good. I like that. I think it's kind of like a little bit of a vibe. And then I would just wear it like this with a little crossbody. And that's a really cute little fall outfit. Okay, next is this cute little tutu skirt. This is part of the Mommy and Me collection. So you can get it for your little ones as well, so you guys can be twinsies, which is really cute. I've just paired it off with some little white boots and then this cute little white sweater. It's like an actual sweater material. It's actually very flattering on the boobs. Looks really nice. And then it is fitted. It comes down to about there. It's kind of giving me Nutcracker vibes. I would probably wear this to the Nutcracker. This is just so cute. It's so fun. Obviously, it's a little bit different. It's something that I wouldn't normally wear, but it is really cute. It'd be really cute for like pictures or, you know, some kind of fun little event that you're going to. And the sweater is just lovely. Really soft, super comfortable, fits really well. So yeah. There's another option. Okay, she's still barking. I've had to put her in the crate because she won't stop barking and I just don't know what else to do with her right now. I have no one home with me, so we're just gonna have to listen to her yap. Otherwise she's in here yapping. I just don't know what to do, guys. I'm really struggling. It's really difficult. Anyway, this is a beautiful, like skin tight green dress. I just couldn't take the barking. We're just gonna have to hold her. I can't take it. It's literally rattling my nerves. Anyway, she just won't stop. She's just endlessly yapping unless I'm holding her. So we're just gonna hold her. But anyway, this is a gorgeous dress. It's very skin tight, very, very like curve hugging. I do have some shapewear on with it underneath for my tummy. But it's a beautiful color. It's like this beautiful green. And it's kind of nice because in the tummy, you have this little extra material right here so that it kind of flows right over your tummy really nicely. And then you've got like one side that's a little shorter and then one side that's longer. And I think it's gorgeous for the holidays. It does do a really good job of disguising the tummy pooch if you have one, because like from this side, it looks great. You know what I mean? It's like so hidden. It's really only just this side that you can see it a little bit. Right there. So pretty flattering for like a tight dress. And then that is what it looks like from behind. So you've got that asymmetric line at the bottom. It really hugs the curves on your bum. Man, do you ever look at your bum from the back and realize like how big it actually is? That just happened to me. I was like, dang. Whoa, hips. So that's what it looks like from behind. It's actually really beautiful with my little doggy tail. I like how it flows on the bottom as you walk. This is the clutch that I got to go with it. So if I wasn't holding a dog, it would be much, actually it matches the dog. You'd have to wear silver jewelry with this though, if you were gonna go, because I feel like the gold does not go with the bag, but isn't that cute? I'm just trying to like hold it with this hand. That's really pretty. It also has a strap, but the strap is silver. The chain is not my favorite, but the bag itself is really, really gorgeous. I feel like it's gonna match so well with my Vegas outfit. Maybe I will wear it like that. That's cute. Next we have this bright pink top. It's so fun and vibrant. It's like really, really bright. It's super cute. It's got like a little pleated detailing, and then it buttons up in the front there. And then you've got your like little kind of overlay. I've just paired it off with some black pants and like some cute little heels. And then again, I would definitely pair it off with that little clutch. Let me put the dog down. She's gonna bark, but we're just gonna have to do it. Do you wanna go out? You wanna go out? So see how cute that would be with silver jewelry? That's a cute little outfit. So fun and bright and vibrant. I love this top. It's really comfortable as well. Super duper. Oh gosh, super comfortable. Okay, and then last but not least, she's just gonna bark, guys. I'm so sorry. I just don't know what else to do with her. If I put her in the crate, she yaps. If I put her in here, she yaps. I just am let's just get this over with. This is the top. Isn't that so cute? I love the little lines, it's like pinstripe. And it has a really nice good flow. I've got it with those same black pants. Same little clutch, and I think it's actually really cute. It's like casual. Like you can definitely do casual, but you can do dressy as well. And that's what it looks like. So that is cute. It'd be really cute with some skinny jeans too. But I just had these pants on already. Nope. Nope. It's very cute, and it looks really cute with this little clutch as well. Okay guys, so there is my try on haul. So sorry about the little yappy miss. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have to just start filming my try-ons when my kids are home or something so they can hold her, because if I put her in another room, she just yaps and yaps and yaps. And if I put her in the crate, which I can put my dogs in there and they're silent, they don't make a noise. She literally stares at me and yaps, waiting for me to pick her up. Like, how can anyone work in these conditions? She's ridiculous. Anyway, there's like weird lighting right now. It's like going all crazy. There we go. But there is my try on haul. Don't forget to use that code. It'll save you guys 15%. And then if you use the app, I think you get 20%. I'll leave all the details in the description box below so you guys can check it out for yourself. But thank you to Cupshe for partnering up with me for this video. Again, I apologize for the yapping. I really just don't know what to do. I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks for your patience. And I'll see you guys in my next video.